Walk it. Do you agree?
Walk it like a talk it.
Walk it like I talk it. Walking like a.
Walking
like a.
Said I'm walking.
Like I walk
And then I walked it like I talked it. Walked it like I talked it. Walked it like I talked it. Larry got an edge up now, so he's feeling a little bit too fresh.
He's
to
feeling
sing.
himself.
No, these guys are dissing me. Before this camera started rolling, these guys are dissing me. I was like, okay. And you know what?
I didn't diss you, but
I know you're dissing me.
Yeah, don't diss him.
What did I diss him?
What did you diss him?
You said, I said,
Diss. You
I said this, and then it was this.
hey, prepare for this. Hey, watch out for this. Watch out for this.
Prepare for this. Prepare for this.
Yeah, what you want some? Watch out for this, baby. Watch out for this.
Watch out for this. Tiba, go Tiba there. Go Tiba.
Is that how we're gonna start the show?
Yeah, Tiba.
Oh, Lord.
Episode 52. Hit him with it.
That's how you start the show. Ha! It has sex appeal.
Untip my life.
Untip my life.
Untip my life.
Tip me again.
You never tip me again.
Tip the sun. I don't go. Then you walked up the tip and you tipped on my life.
Untip my heart.
So baby.
No, it's not.
Question: will they ever grow up? Answer: never. Not in your mother's life.
You cool, bro. You cool. You can say.
You guys are.
No, well,
Episode 52. Microwave's boys.
Why are you saying 32?
52.
Oh, you said 32.
I said 52.
Oh, you said 32.
I missed us.
Yeah. We had to bring it
Don't
back
ever let
up.
me go, Spaga. Ever.
I like
Don't
how
ever.
why I'm so strong today.
Yeah,
I
you're
do
weird.
4 weekly push-ups. I didn't.
Can I just start off by saying something, right? Okay. You know, last week, obviously, we spoke about something. It was like an absolute joke. But you guys liked it so much. So what we're going to do is we're really going to make Ride with Microwave Boys a real thing. Keep tweeting us so we know how many of you guys want to come out with us, you know what I mean? Because as soon as we said you don't have to ride a microwave boy.
Yeah.
You can
But
ride.
you can ride with the
microwave
Also,
boy.
you guys came and left.
Ride a microwave boy is optional.
Yeah, you can't ride
But
them.
they can still
If you
ride
buy-
the
if you buy me
microphone.
flowers-
That is sold separately.
But
I'm joking.
I'm not a cheap date.
Joke, please. First week of
First
May.
week
First week of May, yeah.
So it's the May 1st is on the Tuesday.
Yes, that's precise.
Wednesday,
Second, third, fourth.
we're gonna go on the 3rd.
Wait, I might not.
Any day between the 3rd and the 4th.
Am I gonna have money?
One of those 2 days.
Fun, bro. I'll sponsor it.
Who pay for
Wait,
nothing?
speaking of sponsoring,
Who paid for nothing?
What? Fuck.
Maybe if some of you are lucky out there, maybe.
Yeah, we'll pay for you.
Maybe.
We might.
But otherwise, you guys can come and just join. We'll let you know what time it is.
Yeah, everyone
Just
better
go- just
recognize.
go
You better
through.
recognize when you see
And
us.
when you get there, don't be weird about it. Just
Yeah.
pay.
Yeah. If we don't call you to say come.
Just pay.
Don't look at us with those eyes like. And don't come there with no money. It's weird. It's weird. Like
I
this.
think I'm not invited.
Also, with that said,
50 people just made other plans.
other people that are riding a wave, right? Big up to Simu Panza.
Well done.
Who just joined the radio station which we left a long time ago.
Yeah.
Oh, we're fired. We're fired from.
So
Big up to Simu Panza.
I don't know.
Okay, do it black uncle style. You know, as black uncles like to be the first one to start everything. We're saying, okay, Larry, we congratulate you on your new job. He's a jolly good fellow. He's a jolly. Like, no, not yet. He's a fellow. So as we're saying, Larry, actually, new job. We hope that you prosper. Hey, she's a jolly good fellow. It's all love. YouTube boys, one time, stick together. YouTube.
Also, another crazy. Real quick. Hey, Avengers is dropping this week. Oh my god! I am so excited. I
saw a trailer.
am so excited.
Captain America, repair.
Tamakyo! What does Tamakyo mean?
Tamokyo.
Your mother's poop.
No.
Just here's your mother. Here's your mother. Take your mother. Take your mother.
Well, that's a nice description.
Yes.
Tamauko!
Tamokyo.
Tamakyo.
Yeah. I'm really hot.
Really hot.
Yeah, they told him, hey, take off the jacket.
Oh,
He
My pride.
like.
My pride won't allow me.
said, yo, listen to this guy.
Wait, narna ba lang asma ro khone because of
I'm sweating.
asanga ba ro thume hitara asama go ro thume hitara na mogele ke mo pele because of wena can't thinking akhono hema ake khono hema
Oh
First of all, as you can see, this guy is running out of breath.
Oh,
This
he
is
can't, he
serious.
can't.
This is a matter of life and
He's
death.
like, I've got asthma, guy.
Are they in a venture? What's...
Yes. Can I tell you the backstory of it, right?
Yeah.
So basically, these guys are in transport, and they kept telling the guys, open the window, close the window, open the window. This guy eventually got frustrated. He got frustrated. He closed the window, and he switched on the heater. He said, "No, let's get it."
There's no fight left.
That guy stood up for everyone. He's like,
That
"Yeah."
guy, somebody had to stand up for this abuse.
So even the other light-skinned nigga was like, light-skinned nigga, he already moved out of frame.
But guys, you see, I like how they said this transport needs prayers. Why is it that when you're a kid growing up, it's either your parents pick you up, you go to bus, or transport? Why is the private car why is carpooling called transport? Why? But we're not talking about no, transport. We didn't know the word carpool existed back in the day. And that's why
Couple.
I mean, it's a carpool. I wish it was there back in the day.
Come back. And these are Crawford boys, you know what I mean? So I don't know why they're not yet, catching up and saying the car. These are Crawford.
That's what that guy
These cheese boys.
They stop speaking English. I can't speak it. No, but bro, you can't pick us up in a venture.
Yeah.
Come on. No, I can't think it right. But yeah, that guy, I'm sure he switched it up after that. Yeah,
Moving on to things that are related to pool, let's talk about the Red Bull. I did it!
Guys, the one thing I'm afraid of is fucking rest.
You should put the video of the chickens. Like,
No, bro. Whoa, we need to find that one as well. But oh my god.
hey!
Yeah!
I read your mother's booth! That red was just chilling there. Dimana akantswara. Akantswara like washing. Akantswara like washing. Today this guy is going to know me. I said, if I die, I die.
Guys,
I just said foot sack, like it's a dime. Foot sack! Foot sack, ratatouille.
guys.
Foot sack, ratatouille. Ratatouille in your mouth. Ratatouille in your mouth.
Stuart Little.
Stuart that had it up to here. Not to fucking day.
Yo, but look how
I came out to chill out in the pool, catch some sun.
look how he jumped out, bro.
Yeah, this is a rogue rat.
Have you heard of Alex
And
Rat?
it's chilling one man. Where are the other rats? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Somebody needs to add that to that video.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
The Ugandan president, I don't know what happened here, but it looks like he was caught up in fellatio or what. Oh, it's him explaining fellatio.
Yes.
Oh yes, the Ugandan
Volume.
president.
What?
But guys, if you guys know about like Ugandan things, they're very anti-sex
Everything.
things, bro.
Just anti anything that's not men.
Yeah, like they say they eat them poo poo.
I remember that video.
They,
Oh!
you know
They
what
eat the poo-poo.
You know what they do?
Yo.
They eat them poo poo. So here's the Ugandan. Whoa! He banned oral
oral
sex.
sex.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Oh!
He's coming for necks. This guy is snatching wigs and taking names. He
Let
snatched
me
my
take this
beard.
This guy
opportunity to
banned
warn
him.
our people publicly about the wrong practices indulged in and promoted by some of the outsiders. One of them is what they call oral sex.
Oh.
The mouth is for eating. Okuria. Cham. The mouth is for eating, not for sex. We know the address of sex.
The mouth is for eating, not for sex. Who the fuck does this nigga think he is?
The guy is telling us the mouth is for eating, not for sex. Imagine a life with no head. Bro.
Yeah, actually, before you press it, not getting head.
Oh, no head.
A girl tells you, no, I can't do it because the president.
The president.
Uzakubona njani esakhe? Esakhe uzakubona njani?
No, but remember when
No,
I'll
it's
be
against-
safe. No, my mom said I mustn't give you. My mom said I mustn't give you my phone because she's gonna. But your mom's not gonna know.
Yeah,
no,
no.
she's gonna know.
Uchangarayi uzayazilaphi ke?
No, that Shanghai is passed on, bro.
Oh,
Yes.
honestly, sometimes.
Anyway, but how's the Ugandan president gonna know that hey, someone gave me head? Are we gonna go report it? Do you know what this girl tried to do? Imagine explaining that to the police. Do you know what this girl did?
She was using her mouth for sex.
Yeah, use her mouth.
Sexual intercourse. When I arrived there, I find them making sexual intercourse. She was using her mouth on the member of him. I say,
But if you get to heaven, write this down. You get to heaven and you don't find me there. You have gone to hell. That's it.
Whoa!
Down the
this
boat.
is high risk, high reward stuff.
If you can do.
There's a shoulder man.
Let's play fun with that.
Yo, I did.
If I pull up there,
That is a shoulder man. Kuda, you know.
if I pull up,
If you get to heaven,
if I get the gate, maybe you don't know when you go first. Maybe all the gates are the same.
Oh my
When
god.
you get there, they
I've been
say,
at different entrances.
welcome. You say, before you welcome me. Before I use the foot into this premises, I just want to know, there's a certain pastor.
it's like,
There's a certain pastor I'm looking for. I just need to know if he's been admitted.
this guy's making it sound like taboo, bro. If you get to taboo and I am not there,
You are in Skyline.
even pauses like,
And write this down.
I need you to write this down, please. Put it on paper. If I'm not there,
Oh, because you end up in hell, you'd be like, son of a
that paper that I
bitch.
wrote it on the
I should have trusted that
I
nigga.
wrote it on.
I wrote it down. He told me exactly what to do to get it. I should have trusted that son of a bitch.
Yo,
Anyway, let's move into some real nigga shit.
yes,
Okay.
Right here.
That's
I
my
know
cup of
the
tea.
term ride or die gets thrown around a lot.
I'd rather die for
Will
you.
you ride or die for me, Spagger?
Yeah, I'd rather die for you.
Ride or die for me.
Yeah, I would run.
Wait, what's riding?
No, like yo, man, like cruise.
Like, hey, we shine together, right?
yeah,
Yeah, we shine together.
We
ride
win together, right?
together.
We're gonna win
We lose together, right?
We're gonna lose
We
together.
die together, right?
But you have to ask me first before you do this. You have to ask me before you say certain things like that.
Yeah.
I think the interviews. So cover this shit. Cover this one. Yeah.
If I jump somebody,
Yeah.
my man gonna jump with me.
I'm
You
gonna
feel me?
jump there.
If I rob him, my man gonna rob him. Like if I wanna smack the shit out of him, my man gonna smack the shit out of him. And if I shoot, my man gonna shoot. And if I gotta die, my man dying with me. Like that's just how it is. Like my people ride for me, no matter what. And I know that for a fact. Ain't no goofy niggas around me. They're gonna die if I gotta
I
die.
wish somebody would die for me, man. Like,
Nah, facts.
Yo, the nigga the whole time, boy, he was like, yeah. You know, yeah.
Yeah.
And then, eventually, I gotta die.
I mean, that nigga was like you say, if I'm shooting, my nigga shooting.
I
He's like,
shoot,
yeah,
I
right up,
shoot,
we're
I
shooting.
shoot, yeah, I
Shoot.
shoot. If I slap him,
If my
Oh,
nigga gonna
yeah,
slap
my
the nigga,
God.
I'm there. I'm slapping
I'm the
this
one-
nigga. If I
I'm
rob
the
a
one-
nigga, my nigga gonna rob him.
I'm gonna
I'm
rob
We
him.
robbing this
Ah,
nigga.
that's
If
right.
I die, my nigga gonna die with me. My nigga said, whoa, low. I don't want to know. And I read the email that you sent, man. And that part didn't say.
I wasn't there. I wasn't in the
I read the email you sent.
Maybe you didn't see me in
When we were
this
talking about this
email.
interview we're going on today, you didn't put die for me there. Khloe Kardashian gave birth
Oh,
to
shucks.
What a beautiful child.
a very a baby girl with her
That's very true.
boyfriend. Spaga, I almost let that go. Anyway, the baby's name is True.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's tricky.
I don't know if this is premeditated
It's tricky.
or
No, listen, it is tricky. The baby's name is True Thompson, which is very tricky considering what we reported on last week. We said this guy was caught cheating, and I'm just trying to think about it. Imagine this guy walking in while did this birth happen before or after our show? After, ne?
after. It was after.
Imagine him walking into the hospital after that, all the news had broken up that he was cheating.
Apparently, all the Kardashians
Everyone
unfollowed
was there.
him. And
Everyone was
shit.
there just posted like, yeah, waiting.
They're whispering, "Hi,
Yeah.
Hi.
hello, Papa, hello, Daddy.
Big man.
Glad you could make some time. Glad you could check in with us."
Remember, it's like, hurt a girl, man, and she's like, I forgive you. Then one day she just looks at you like,
Yeah.
I actually don't forgive me.
you find a girl staring at you while you're sleeping. You're like, babe, what's wrong?
And girls do
How
that.
could
They make it
you
build up.
do
They
that?
build up. They're like, when you see them, they're like, okay.
he's definitely gonna get it.
And
Definitely.
then like,
If a girl ever holds up tears.
Yeah, she's gonna wake up.
If you have the back, what the fuck?
yeah, because I got you 3. One. Jesus.
Whoa! For that! Whoa!
Let me tell you guys a secret. I have no idea what Swagger's ever doing there next to me. Ever in the show. I only ever see it when I watch it. And it's the most entertaining thing that I've experienced because I never used to watch these shows. I only stand. I'm like, what the fuck is Swagger up to? From one pregnancy to another.
Yo,
Who's pregnant?
Cardi B.
Who got the kids in the car? Who got the making the Roddy? Cardi. Come to Cardi.
Cardi.
Why got them broken the car? Cardi. Who got them knowing Roddy?
Roddy.
Man, I can come in Roddy.
Cardi.
Oh, get him, Cardi.
No, Cardi, no.
But you, Cardi.
No, Cardi. No, Cardi.
These are things that you can't let up in school. One day, our child's gonna walk into classroom and they're gonna be watching this video.
But Cardi, yo.
But it's just you. You've been to Coachella, my nigga. Hey. Offset was vomiting lean at this stage.
Cardi B reminds me of Carbonina.
Bojella.
Doesn't she remind you of Carbonina?
No.
You know what?
No.
I want to say no. I really want to. But
No.
I won't. No.
No.
Can you a rapper? Ride dick like a BMX.
Yo! That line, Cardi B. Oh, yo, how do you the week watch? Hey.
Wait, are we waiting? Cut. Are we doing 420 and...
Why you cut? Nigga, what the fuck did you do? This guy is called Cut, nigga. Okay, let's go. Hoodie of the week is Lil Mona Lisa.
Hurry of the week, Lily_Mona Lisa.
Le Kumalo.
Lele.
Hair, fashion, and beauty.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that beret.
Is she an artist?
The page is like this aesthetics are full force.
It's white. She's going with white. I get better go
Google.
white sand
Snow.
even. But kita nataka umanyela. Awanyela mo. Iwaka kiwamo. Awaka kiwamo. I'm sure there's a sensor. So it says likaka. It goes up. Awaka kiwamo.
I like how she smiles. She smiles like she's going, eh.
What? Get the fuck. Share YouTube, girl. I don't know. But nobody YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Of course.
Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel.
Guys,
And those of you
YouTubers,
who are
stop
viewing
it
for
now.
the first time, hey,
Stop it now. Yeah, she's very beautiful. God damn. You know, I like her skin tone because you can't tell sometimes whether she's black or colored also, you know. It's like the way it blends in, you know. Her skincare routine.
Keep pajama this thing.
No, apparently girls are wearing this now. It's not the kitty pajama. It's the...
At the club, I see them just like this.
Yeah, it's real store now. It's like
This girl is incredibly beautiful, man.
Yeah, she is. And the body is also
And she
banging.
really likes the color white. Yes. Meaty. Why not just meaty? Support age your fucking shit.
Ah man, anyway guys, it's been a freaking great episode. Shout out to everyone that's been supporting us on Touch Central on our show every
Touch
single morning.
HD.
Yeah, Touch HD. Sorry, bro, I've been there for like 2 months and that's
Yes, if you haven't joined us yet, then please do 7 to 10 every morning, Monday to
Breakfast
Friday. Download the app, come chill with us. We have an amazing. If you love this, you'll even love us even better on the radio. Come on, the interview,
And don't forget to
subscribe.
Yes, it's here.
Subscribe.
No, don't
Subscribe. Subscribe. Is it by me?
Yeah,
Maybe he moves it and he puts it by you.
Yeah,
Then he takes it and he puts it there by Larry.
If you can do it, do it.
You think they go, I'm not gonna edit that.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Also, in big news, 420, our nigga SK is dropping his EP. Spacebound, you know what I mean?
Absolutely. When's it dropping?
It's gonna be the
on the
420
on Friday.
Yeah, the 20th of the
420.
4th month.
Yeah, 420 cafe.
At 420 Cafe.
Yes,
Cafe.
you know.
Absolutely. So go out there, support the boy.
Yeah, it's called Spacebound The Voyage.
What?
The Voyage.
SKO Day.
Yes.
MicroWave Boys episode 52.
Don't forget, guys, keep tweeting us. Ride with MicroWave Boys. Let's make the thing. It's gonna be popping. By the time this drops, Avengers will be out. And I would be watching it. So I would just fucking. Yo, you know.
Ever since you joined Touch HD, we are moving, boy. Yeah, drive them soon.
It's a fire track.
I've been on my grind, I've been hello. I just tryna shine. Working 9 to 9, never tipping, no, my mind's on the ropes.